artist Rabia. Welcome to second class of Adobe Photoshop. In today's class, we will learn about Magic Wand tool and Quick Selection tool. Guys, from here, into the file, you can take a new document. I'm showing you how you can take the new document. From here, open. I want to open a document from my selected images I have in my laptop. I'm dragging this down. I want to select this image. Click on this image and hit open. Guys, now I have this document right here. You can see into this layers option, the layer is locked. If I double click on this, it is unlocked. I have this tool, Quick Selection tool and Magic Wand tool. Guys, I will tell you first of all about the Magic Wand tool, how this works. Click here and it will select the same color. It will select, guys, the same color. If I click here on the white part and I left click and click on select inverse, you can see it has selected this. And if I press Ctrl J, it will make a new layer. You can see. Like this, guys, you can cut any of the image according to your taste. If I want to change the color of my background, simply I make a new layer and I'll drag this layer down. And from here into the foreground color, I take a color. For example, I take this lighter tone. Hit OK. And by pressing Alt backspace, you can fill the color. See guys, like this. You can use the Magic Wand tool like this. It is very easy, super cool and super fun. Guys, now I want to show you how you can cut these flowers. From here, I take the Magic Wand tool, click here. It will select the white part. If you left click and click on select inverse, it will select the flowers. If you press Ctrl J, it will duplicate the layer which you have selected. See, if I make a new layer and I drag this down and I select any of the color from here. For example, I select light pink and press Alt backspace to fill the color. See, like this you can use the Magic Wand tool. Super easy, super fun. Guys, now let's move to Quick Selection tool. From here, I'm taking the Quick Selection tool. Now, for example, if I click here, it will select the small portions. I don't want to click, so I'm pressing Ctrl Alt and Z to undo my selections. Guys, now I want to select this center portion, this flower only. From here you can take the size and from here you can increase the hardness, you can increase or decrease. From here I take this plus option and I select this. You can see it is selecting the flower. Keep on selecting with the help of mouse. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. This is short key to duplicate the layer. To make a new layer or duplicate the layer, you can see this. Now if I make a new layer and I drag this down, I want to fill any of the color. For example, I fill here light green color. Guys, like this you can use the Quick Selection tool. Guys, now if you want to select the bike from here with the help of Quick Selection tool, there are many other methods I will also show in the upcoming videos. From here, now I want to show you with the help of Quick Selection tool how you can select the bike. Guys, now see, if you want to delete this selection, simply by pressing Alt button, you can remove this selection from here. This is very easy. And if you want to add any selection, by pressing Shift button, you can add. Control J to duplicate the layer, to make the new layer, to make the selection. From here, with the help of Move tool, I want to drag this bike. You can see the selection. I want to drag this bike here into this picture. Now see, I want to place this bike here. Now by pressing Ctrl T, you can make the size smaller or larger. This is shortcut key to transform. By pressing Shift, I am making it smaller by holding this from corners. See guys, I have placed this bike right here. Now if you want to add any of the shadow, you can see here, brush tool. I have this brush right here. I take foreground color to black because I want black color for my shadow. Hit OK. From here, I take the size of my brush. I make a shadow right here. By pressing Ctrl T, you can transform this. I am making its size smaller. See guys, like this you can make the shadows in your images. You can see also the shadow under this car. Guys, this is all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.